Hi friends. This is my first video. This video introduce online jobs in Fiverr. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for digital services. Fiverr is the leading marketplace for services starting at just $5. Lots of people buy and sell services and also products every day through Fiverr. The available services range from business promotion, social networking and advertisement to funny videos, graphic design and translations, to mention just a few. These offered services are called gigs on Fiverr. You can find almost anything you need. People from all over the world visit the site to offer their services and expertise. Fiverr website link added in the description. You can go through it easily. Now you can see the interface of the Fiverr website. First you click the Join button. Enter your email here. Then click Continue. Give your username and password and click Next. Then automatically this website send verification link to your current email. After that you want to verify your account by using this link. You can see the Fiverr homepage now. These are categories of jobs: graphics design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animations, music and audios, programming and tech, business, lifestyle. Let's see graphics design. Under that it's also have many categories. Let's see Photoshop editing. Under this category easily you can manage your simplest knowledge about Photoshop for remove background, face swap, color correction, color replacement, photo manipulation, editing, retouching, masking. This man completed the 1K plus orders. He designed more creations under his name. Next one is book design. If you have good talent in book design you can easily do this job. This man completed the 1K plus orders. Let's see his gig. He designed more creations under his name. Let's see web and mobile design. If you have a knowledge to create website, you can easily sell your product in here. Now social media design. If you're familiar with social media you can create FB cover, social media ads, banners, posters, post, business account and you can fill your pocket in money. Today last one is presentation design. If you have a good knowledge to create presentation and you can sell on here. Then you can choose your favorite job under those categories. I think you get an idea about Fiverr website and work with on it. If you like this video and please subscribe, don't forget to click bell icon. Any doubts comment here. See you in next video.